Aviation disasters have captured public attention for decades, often highlighting the importance of safety in air travel. One of the most infamous incidents was the crash of the Hindenburg in 1937. This German airship caught fire while landing in New Jersey, leading to the tragic loss of 36 lives. Another significant disaster occurred in 1977 when two Boeing 747s collided on the runway in Tenerife, Spain, resulting in 583 fatalities, making it the deadliest aviation accident in history. The cause was a complex mix of miscommunication and dense fog. In 2001, the world faced the shocking events of 9/11, when terrorists hijacked 4 commercial flights, leading to the destruction of the World Trade Center and significant changes in aviation security protocols. More recently, the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 in 2014 remains one of the greatest mysteries in aviation history, with debris found years later but no conclusive answers. These disasters serve as stark reminders of the risks associated with flying, prompting continuous improvements in technology and safety measures. From stricter regulations to advanced training for pilots, the aviation industry strives to prevent such tragedies from occurring again. Learning from the past is crucial for ensuring a safer future in air travel.